Construction moves toward completion of Olympic Village in Mexico City. A total of 29 buildings will house almost 11,000 persons, athletes and members of the press. Dining rooms, training areas, and practice fields are included. Archaeologists are racing against the bulldozer, excavating ancient pyramids which lie on the village site. The Olympic Stadium is on the University of Mexico campus. It's being enlarged to seat nearly 80,000. Swimming and diving events will be watched by 15,000 with an unobstructed view. Some 13 miles from Olympic Village is the Hemispheric Sports Palace, a $5 million project. Mexico City, host for the 68 Games, sets the stage for the athletic drama to come.